Guys, welcome to Pick a Card with Nesara Gowda channel. Sorry for being irregular with my videos. So today I'm back with the special video. This will be totally related to your love life for the month 2021 February. Okay, this can resonate to both who are single as well as those who are already in a relationship. Okay. As usual, there are 4 options given for you guys. Choose any one, and timestamps for the options are given below in the description. Sorry for the disturbance, I'm very sorry for that. Okay, feel free to pause the video at any moment. Choose any one option. Go to the description, the timestamps are given. If you guys haven't subscribed still, please subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. Okay, I shall see you all in your readings. Bye bye. Hey, option number 1, those who choose the very first option. So your reading is here for the question, your love life for the February 2021. For the first option, very first option, you guys this can resonate both single as well as for those who are already in relationship. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing my channel. Okay, the very first card we got is, oh, the Two of Cups. Amazing card. You got the Strength, Major Arcana, and the Queen of Cups. This is amazing. Very first option. Let me set the camera.
Power off.
Okay, the very first card we got here is the Two of Cups. Don't worry, those who are singles, who is having someone in your mind, or if you guys are interested towards someone, then don't worry. I think that is the person, that is your real soulmate. I can say that because this Two of Cups is a kind of a soulmate card. I think you both share equal feelings, like similar feelings you both share. It can also be that the other person whom you already have in your mind, I think the other person also has the same feelings as you have. Okay, singles who are interested on someone, definitely go for it. I can say that because this is like a go for it card, because this is the card only comes for those love card. I can say that. For those who are already in relationship, don't worry, your partner cares for you, your partner thinks a lot about you, you both love each other. You should not have any other question. Okay, because February 2021, there is no doubt you'll have a happy love life with your partner. With the Strength card, this is amazing combination. I can say that because both singles as well as those who are already in relationship, I think you guys have strong connection between you guys, because you and your partner both believe this relationship. You care for your relationship, you nurture your relationship. The Strength card is like someone who is like a matured person. Okay, it can be you or it can be your partner who takes decision maturely, like without any other doubt. Your partner gives you the very first priority and you give a priority to your partner. So there is a mutual sharing going on between you and your partner. So I should say that you should not worry. Whomever you have in your mind, singles, don't worry. Definitely that person feels the same way as you feel, because so many cups here. These cups are for emotion. Okay, this is like an emotional bonding. You both share an emotional bonding. So first option, don't worry, this is like something amazing happening between you and your partner. See this Queen of Cups, this is like a queen holding her cups. I think singles, I think those who are singles right now watching this video, as I told before, your partner or the one whom you have in your mind, you both share the same feelings, like what you think, the other person think in the same way. So I think the other person whom you have in your mind, they are like, should I propose, should I move on with this person, or should I share, should I open up? They're like in that situation. I feel like that it's not you, it's you already. I mean, you might have already expressed, or the other person already knows that you have some feelings, some strong feelings for them. I think right now they're like holding their heart. Should I express, should I open up? Or they're like thinking right now. They're like, yeah, don't worry, you should not, there is no need of worrying here. For those who are already in relationship, as I told you, there is strong bond between you and your partner. There will be strong bond in February 2021. They care for you, you care for them. There is a lot of caring going on. If there is very strong decisions about something, decisions you need to do, then definitely you can ask your partner. I think you guys can go for a very good decision if you discuss, because I can see both of you has strength here and you both are emotionally connected, so don't worry. So let us see what else about your love life in 2021. Those who are singles, definitely you can go for this person, you can open up, don't delay. I could say that, don't delay. I can see the potential with this partner. Yeah, if there is any decision making, then please share it with your partner. I think you can go for a very good, I mean, yeah, amazing. This is one more amazing card. Option 1, you people are getting so amazing cards this time. This is the 4 of Wands. You can see, as you can see, the celebration is going on. You can also see the castle in the back. There are 2 people who are celebrating. There are people around who have come for the celebration. So don't you think this is amazing going on? I think those who are already in a relationship, I think you guys will be taking it to the next level, or you might share this thing with your family in the month 2021, or you guys can go, I mean, plan for a trip, or I can see celebration going on. So I think some might even marry, or take this relationship to the next level, or you guys are planning to go out, only you and your partner, spend some time, after this lockdown, after this COVID. Finally we are somewhat coming out, so I think you both are exploring. You're using this February as Valentine's Day, so I can see that you and your partner planning something. For those who are single, I can say that yeah, you guys, someone will propose you, or you will propose. You guys will get into a strong relationship. I'm getting this strong feeling that February 2021 will be amazing for you guys, for both singles and in the relationship. Don't worry. I can see a very good cards here. I don't know why today I'm getting, oh, victory. You got the victory card. Amazing. So don't worry, those who are singles, your partner will come, or you will go towards your partner. You will share that you love them and they love you. They'll come to you, they'll express their love, definitely. Or if you express, definitely they'll say yes. You can see the 6 of Wands is like a victory card. It's like winning someone in your life. It's like gaining something in your life. There is a king. People are praising. It's like winning something. Okay, in your case, this is a love reading. Definitely you're asking about someone whom you love, so definitely you'll get it this month. You can go for this person, whomever you have. See this 2 of Cups. This is a soulmate card. This is an amazing card too. I can see that you're gonna get it. If you're already in relationship, definitely this month, whatever you are planning to, I can see that you guys are planning to go out, to celebrate, to have that reunion after a very long time. I can also see that this resonates to all those long distance relationship. So yeah, I can see celebration going on in the month of February 2021. So all I can say that this is an amazing reading. Whatever you plan with your partner, don't worry, God is, I mean, higher power will help you to go for it, to make it complete. For all those, the very first option, I can say that February 2021 will be the month for which you have been waiting for a very long time. All your plans are going to happen. You'll get to know that your partner love you. For all those singles, you'll take it to the next level. This is going to be an amazing month overall. Okay, that is all for the first option. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button. Follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. Please do subscribe to my channel. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Hey guys, those who choose the second option, so your reading is here for your love life for the month February 2021. This can resonate both singles and those who are already in relationship. As you guys know, February 14th, Valentine's Day is very near. So I think all of you are excited about the Valentine's Day. So I thought of making a video on, we got the very first card as the King of Pentacles. I can see someone matured here. It can be you or it can be your partner who is well settled. I think I'll explain it later. I may get some 2 more cards. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing my channel and hit the like button if you guys like the video. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. Today I'm not getting the cards. Okay, I think I should explain the King of Pentacles. Okay, I can see someone is, matured here. It can be you or it can be your partner, as I told before. I think someone has settled in your life, who has struggled a lot and came to the, this settled position. Okay, it can be you or it can be your partner. So someone is searching for the love, waiting for the stable relationship, relationship which has the potential. Okay, so let me pull some more cards for the month 2021 love reading for the second option. Show me the cards I need to know. Second option, people, show me the cards I need to know. Same, not okay, fine. We got a very second card as a 5 of Cups. What? Oh my god, 3 of Swords. Okay, don't worry. I can see someone is sad here. Someone recently faced the breakup, or someone felt the loss. Someone lost someone. I can see someone is sad here. Recently, something bad happened between you guys. Someone broke someone's heart. It can be you who is feeling the sad, or I think someone broke your heart. Right now you're single. I feel like many of you guys are single. Singles are watching this option too. You're still in the same thinking. You're still thinking about your past relationship. I feel like you're still chained up to the past relationship. You haven't moved on. You're still thinking about the past. Okay, I feel like 2021 February, many of you who are already in relationship, I feel like some sad news is gonna come, or I think you and your partner is going through arguments right now, or beginning of the Feb 2021. It can be like that. Queen of Pentacles, we got the King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. I feel like you both are not ready to go for it. Like, you both love each other, but still I'm somewhere getting that and feel like you both are like why should I go first, or why should I text him first, why should I call him first. I feel like both of you share the same feelings for both of yeah, there is the same feeling sharings between you and your partner, but you both are resisting to go for it, or you both are in sad. Option 2, those who are already in relationship or as singles, I feel like yeah, you should go, or your partner should go for it. I can't say about your partner, but you love them, they love you, but you both hide, or it's like you're thinking about the bad thing happened between you, the all about the arguments happen, or someone is chained up to their past relationship, resisting to go, move on. Yeah, there is lot going on with you guys. Option 2 in the Feb 2021, you love them, they love you, but what's this? Oh my god, you got the 8 of Swords. I can see that option 2, you are resisting to go for it, or you are making yourself to suffer. Like you want them and they want you, but you are punishing yourself, you are not going, you are not taking the next step. What's going on? Option 2, I think what is holding you back, what is that you're feeling stuck, or what is that you don't want to go for them, or why if you love them a lot, why are you not? Okay, you got the Hermit card. I feel like you are, we got the 10 of Cups also. So yeah, I can see that 2021 February someone will go for it, or it can be you, or it can be your partner. Definitely come out of that shell, that ego shell. You'll break it, you'll go for it, or that person will come. Okay, for those who are single, I think someone will make a move, and the situation will be like a 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups, it's like enjoyment, having that positive feeling with your partner, having that strong bond between you and your partner, feeling about a better future, thinking about having a very good future with your partner. I feel like someone is feeling like a stuck. It can be your partner, they're like not opening up. For those who are already in single, your partner is not opening up with you because they're thinking a lot. This Hermit card is like a thinking a lot, overthinking card, or self realization, knowing more about themselves, someone is introvert here. Okay, it can be you or your partner. I feel like your partner is being introvert. Yeah, your partner is kind of being introvert, cannot say open up with a lot of confidence because they doubt like they think a lot about the past situation or their previous relationship. Yeah, I feel like that it can be you also. So yeah, you should move, someone should make a move here, because I can see both of you love each other but still resisting. It can be for those who are in relationship, it can be like you're still, arguments will be going on during the first week of February till the mid month. It can be like that. Okay, but still you can't go without them. It's like you can't go to them and tell that come back to me, will be the same, because something is resisting for you to go towards them or for them to come towards you. What is that? What is, I can say that yeah, February 2021 someone will make a move and you both will get together. Okay, I feel like you can, many of them here, your ex will be back in the month 2021. Your ex is gonna come back. They'll, oh okay, we got the Page of Wands. Let me just keep it here. Okay, so yeah, for all those February 2021, I feel like your ex is gonna come back here. They're gonna apologize for whatever happened in the past. Okay, happened is happened, let us move on. Let us make it I mean, yeah, I can see the Ten of Cups here. This is like an family card or getting together. It is the happy card, I could say that. This Page of Wands is full of someone being, it can be your partner who is younger. I feel like someone is younger here. It can be you or your partner. They are like planning right now, they are planning to move with you right now. They're planning, okay. This is like I can see you could hook up or come back to someone with whom you had already been for some time, okay. You can expect your ex back in the Feb, okay. They're gonna come back. They'll be like, right now they're missing you, okay. Option 2, they're thinking about whatever happened in between you, okay. Whatever the arguments, whatever the bad moments, something made you to go far away, to leave, you know. Right now they're feeling like a stuck. Should I go for it? Should I ask for the person to come back into my life because I miss them? They see that you are being happy without them. See the King of Pentacles, I feel like this is you are happy without them, and they see that from a very far. They see that you're happy without them and they couldn't resist it. Or it can be like they miss you. They see you happy and they miss those days, those moments which they spent with you, and I feel like they're gonna come back. For option 2, for those who are single, I feel like the one who are thinking right now, they're gonna come back and ask you to be the Ten of Cups, to be with them. Or you both of might get together. It's like that. I feel like they're planning right now for a Valentine. It can, for, you know, to ask you to be their Valentine. It can be like that, okay. That's a very good reading for the option 2. Don't worry if you are missing your ex or missing someone, they'll come to you, okay. Don't worry. That is all for the option 2. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button, follow me on Instagram, please do subscribe to my channel. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Hey guys, those who choose the third option, so your reading is here for the question, your love life for the month February 2021. Those who choose the third option, so your reading is here. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing my channel. Follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description below. Yeah, let us see about your love life for the month February 2021. Okay, this is 8 of Cups. Let me pull some more cards for you. Option 3. Okay, we got 9 of Cups, we got 2 of Swords. Okay, first of all, I should say that someone is making decision between two, or someone is stuck between two decisions. It can be you or it can be your partner who is stuck between two decisions. Okay, the very first card we got is the 8 of Cups. Okay, it can be you or it can be your partner who is going away from all these emotional bonds or emotional connection in the month February 2021. Someone is going far away from the love, or they don't want to be in love anymore, or it can be you, okay, who is like, I don't want this relationship, or I don't want to be with this person anymore. It can be like someone new have come into your life, someone new one entered into your life, and you're too much drawn to this person because the old partner or the one with whom you had been in relationship, or for all the singles, it can be like you are moving away from this person because you're not getting that expectations fulfilled. I feel like you expect a lot from your partner, or it can be your partner moving away. I see that it's you who is moving away from your partner in the month February 2021, because I feel like someone new have entered into your life. You are too much drawn because this new person is like your dream. Like this person is like your expectations, like how you expected your partner should be, and I feel like they're fulfilling your desire. This is like, the man sitting around 9 cups is full of emotions. I feel like this one person make you feel protected, make you feel cared, get you back from all those negative thinkings, or they'll fulfill all your desires. I feel like you're moving away from a present relationship, or yeah, you're stuck between two options. As I told you, there is a two partners who have involved here. For all those singles, it can be like Valentine's Day, you're getting two proposals. You might get stuck in, stuck between two, what to choose, where to choose. Yeah, it can be like that situations. All those relationship who are already in relationship, I see that many of you gonna break or quit that last previous, or some, it can be like if you have stuck in the past relationship, all those whatever happened between you and your partner, you're gonna move away from and giving it a chance for the new relationship in the month February 2021. Okay, the third option is kind of different. Yeah, I can see that many of the card just fell down and you got the devil card. Okay, let me just keep it. Okay, I see that many of you guys are moving away from the toxic relationship. The previous relationship which you had been, I feel like you were like stuck, chained between you and your partner. It can be like that, and finally you are deciding to move away from that person, or get into the new relationship. I can see that. I also see that you don't feel any sad leaving this person behind, because you have suffered a lot. I mean, like, you were feeling like in control of someone. I can say that many of you are leaving your toxic relationship, option 3, those who are already in relationship. For singles, I should also say that someone new is gonna come, who will fulfill all your needs, who will surprise you, who will get you all those gifts in the month February 2021, who will who is lot more dedicated to you in the month. Okay, we got the King of Pentacles, we got the King of Cups, we got two kings here. Isn't it amazing? I can also see that you being so strong in the month February 2021. You are strong right now. You have come out from the toxic relationship. Right now you have experienced the pain. Right now you're like experienced whatever, right now you know what is the bad thing it can happen in relationship, how to handle a person in a new relationship, or how to experience the new love life. Or it can be like you are very matured to take the next step, take the next, to make a very right option in future right now. Because I see that you had come out from the past relationship, the one who had been committed, or you have come out from that emotional bonding with someone. Right now I feel like you're matured enough to make a very good decision. For all those singles, definitely someone is gonna surprise you with all those flowers, for all those gifts, all, right now you are very stable to judge your relationship, judge that person. Yeah, you are very well matured to go for it. So I should say that February 2021, you don't need any suggestions or any help from others, because you're very well matured to make a decision. Okay, this is amazing. Something good is happening with the third option. Let me pull some more cards and know exactly what is this toxic relationship, who is that new person coming in the month February 2021 for the option 3. Let me see what's that. Okay, the very first card, the Sun. Amazing. We got the 5 of Pentacles. So don't worry, option 3. So I see that many of you are going away from the toxic relationship. You are happy being single, or someone will be like entering into your life, making your life, like you'll be shining in the month 2021. Okay, it be like it sun is like full of celebration, moving. It can be a traveling somewhere, it can be like having a birth of a child, or it can be you who is like starting up a new life like a child. I can see those, all those, I feel like many of you gonna overcome the toxic relationship very soon. You're being matured, you'll be, you'll be having the potential, what you want and what you don't want. You're gonna go away. Yeah, definitely you'll feel sad for some days, don't worry, you'll overcome it. You'll overcome, right now you know what you need to do, and what is the thing which is just, which is really required to have that happy life. This is just amazing cards, I could say that. Many of you are becoming strong. For singles, I feel like someone is coming here who is like making you feel amazing. You'll be like a shining in the month February 2021. They'll come to you, they'll just express all their loves, all their whatever you want. It's like someone is fulfilling all your desires. Someone will come to you, someone will take you to the higher position, like someone will make you feel comfortable, make you feel so special. So yeah, this is a strong reading, I should say that. Option 3, this is amazing reading, I should say that. If you guys like the video, then please hit the like button. Follow me on Instagram, the ID link will be in the description. Please do subscribe to my channel. Till my next video, take care, bye bye. Hey, option 4 people, those who choose the 4th option, so your reading is here. For the question, your love life for the month February 2021. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram, the ID link will be in the description below. So yeah, let me see, it can resonate to both, singles as well as for those who are already in relationship. You got the very first card as the Knight of Cups. Okay, this amazing card we got. I can see that February 2021 already. Okay, yeah, okay, we got the 8 of Wands, amazing card. One more speedy card we got. Okay, we got one more card. Okay, let me just explain. The very first card we got is the Knight of Cups. I feel like you are interested on someone, like you're single. Most of you, I feel like you're single and you are interested on someone, like you love them, you're like expressing your love towards them. I feel like you're gonna propose someone in the February 2021, which you've been dreaming all about this person all these days. You had been dreaming like, should I move on, should I go for this person, should I open up my feelings towards this person. It's like you have been thinking a lot about this person from a very long time. I feel like February, you're not gonna make this delay. You're gonna like, definitely you'll propose them, or you'll go towards them. At least you'll say you'll open up in the February 2021. If you're not at all planned to open up, definitely I'm gonna suggest that please go for it. I feel like that, because 8 of Wands is like making it, putting all those plans to happen. It's like a speedy card. It's a speedy delivery. I always say that 8 of Wands, such an amazing, I should say that. Someone is working hard. It can be you. Okay, you had been working from a long time, like how to make it happen between me and this person. This person don't share anything. This person is like not opening up. Well, this person is like, this can be your person. Okay, they're like going with the flow. Like if you both are studying, then this person always studies. If you both are working, this person always in making a very good career. Don't open up. It's like you like them, they're very busy in their life. Okay, it's like that. Okay, what else? Sorry for the disturbance, I'm really sorry for the disturbance. Okay, we'll see what else we can get. We can know about the 2021 February reading. This is amazing going on. Your person is busy and you're like too much, oh my, Okay, I feel like you're gonna take the risk in the February 2021 as Valentine's Day is coming. So many of you are going to propose this person. You're gonna take the risk. If you're not yet planned what to do, then definitely I'll suggest that take a risk, go for it. Don't have any particular plan. Just go for the person and open up or whatever you have. It's like you can also say them, I have been dreaming about you from a very long time. So you can take a risk and go for this person in the month February 2021. I also see that many are you like moving towards this person. If this is like a long distance, then you'll take a bus or take a vehicle and you'll just go towards this. You are too much attracted to this person, you know, you have been dreaming all these days, and finally wait is over. You're like, no more wait, I should go for it. I feel like many of you are single. If it's like a long distance relationship, who are already in relationship, definitely your partner or you going towards your partner, like, you know, all those waiting is over. Valentine's Day, so this is our day. I'm going to my partner, though whatever happens, I don't care, I'm just going. It's like, yeah, we got the 5 of Swords. It can also be like, for all the singles, you're like, I don't care about the result. You'll be just, you know, you'll be like going and proposing the one whom you have in your mind, whom you had been dreaming about. You're like, you'll be not, you don't worry in the month February. Okay, many of you like, you're not, I mean, you don't care what happens, you'll just go for it. I see that many of like, you just go for it. I don't care what this person thinks. Okay, we got the King of Cups. I feel like the other person whom you already have in your mind, I feel like they have been looking at you from very far. So whoever it is, they're full of, you know, emotion. Yeah, it can also be like you had been working, or you know, someone is coming towards you very fast. Someone is like, for all the singles, I feel like someone will be like coming soon towards you. I feel like this is you, and someone will be like, whatever happens, I don't care, this time I'm gonna propose this 4th option. People, it's like you, I think you already have an idea about this person already, that this person love me or this person has feelings towards me. Yeah, I feel like that many are gonna get proposals in the month February 2021. Someone is coming towards you, taking risk, coming very fast. Okay, what else is happening for the option 4? Okay, we got the Death card. I feel like it's like many of you gonna change your lifestyle or gonna change the way you are for this person. This person will come into your life, they'll propose, you'll be like in the excited state, and there might be time like you should change for this person. It's like you should completely change the way, the lifestyle you have. I feel like many are ready, many will change your lifestyle, the way you are, or the place you are right now there. I feel like you'll change it for this person, you'll transform. It's like the old is gone, new life is gonna come for many of you in the February 2021. I feel like many singles are going into relationship or getting to relationship with this new person, because this new person is like will take you to the land, to a dreamland, take you far away from where you are, definitely make you feel like out of your own comfort zone, take you to the new you know, dreamy land, or where you definitely have to change completely. There is transformation, I can see that. This yeah, this is amazing thing. The new person is gonna make you feel so amazing in the Feb 2021. Okay, let me pull the last card for you. We got 3 of Swords and we got the Star card. Okay. Okay, I also feel like yeah, many of you had been stuck in your past relationship. Definitely this person will come to you and make you feel amazing again, like they'll take you to the new land or new beginning, new lifestyle, or new dreams, everything. Like, yeah, this person will make you feel out of the, you know, all these days you had been into this, you were stuck into this past relationship or sad thing, or all up stuck for all those I mean, who are already in relationship. It's like all those arguments, all those sad situations, all those heartbreak situations are gone for many of you in the month February. It's like you see that you had been struggling a lot between you and your partner. It's like you had been working a lot to make it proper, whatever happening between you guys. So finally it's like this person is coming and you both are getting everything, you know, getting everything to the proper situation like how it was. It's like working on it, getting what you want. It's like working for what you want. For all those singles, it's like a new one is coming into your life, taking risk to get into your life. They're gonna change completely your lifestyle. You'll feel the new flower, yeah, all those new surprising things, amazing things coming into your life in the February 2021. So if you are into sorrow right now, definitely don't worry, this person will take you to a wonderland. It's like your desire is finally gonna happen because of this person. Okay, you'll be feeling amazed again. Don't worry, I think you already have an idea about this person because we got the King of Cups here. I feel like this is you watching this person from a very far. You know that this person is coming. It's like this Eight of Wands can also be a communication card. It's like you both had been texting each other, calling each other, had some communication. I feel like this is a long distance, many of you. I feel like long distance, yeah. It can be like that. You already know about this person. This is something different reading I got, but yeah, this is amazing. New relationship or getting into new one, February. This is just amazing reading. Okay, that is all for the option 4. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.